What's good, YouTube? Back with another reaction. As you seen for the last video, we was finding out how to make Chick-fil-A nuggets. I found a video on how they make McDonald's nuggets. Let's see if they do it how I thought they do. When it's just like, you know, they got a frozen bag, drop it in some frying oil, and then that's it. So let's see what they do.
McDonald's McNuggets. Start with that chicken breast. Go ahead
He
and
at
cut it up into
home
little
with it.
cubes, and we're gonna blend
This
it in
not how
batches,
they
and
do
we're gonna
it.
pulse it. You could use a grinder if you have one, but I don't have one. I'm guessing a lot of you don't have one. You could use a blender, works just as good. Season the meat with a bunch of salt and pepper, and then the key to shaping your nuggets is to keep your hands wet so it doesn't stick to you. So you feel me? We made a few McDonald's shapes, and we went off with some dinosaurs, made a country, and look at that. I don't know what that is. Throw it into the freezer for like 2 hours. For the dry mix, we're gonna go flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Mix it up. For the wet batter, we're gonna go eggs, half a cup of water, fourth cup of cornstarch, and whip that up. Then once your nuggets are hard, we're gonna go dry, wet, and then leave on there. And then once you do that, you're gonna heat up some oil. Once it bubbles around the stick, the wood, the chopstick, throw them into the oil. Make sure they don't stick to each other. Fry them for about 2 minutes each side. Take them out, and you got chicken McNuggets. Yes, sir.
That is not no McDonald's nuggets. Don't even look like that. That boy just wasted my time. I'm kind of mad. But hey, make sure you like the video, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit the link to go to my main channel. I'm out.